you're annoyed that you can't play Roblox in your school Chromebook, I'm going to show you exactly how, and I'm going to show you 3 different methods. So if you go to the Google Docs, which I have in the description down below, and then press on the link, you'll be redirected to this page. It will say, are you sure you want to leave YouTube? But you want to say go to site. So when you press go to site, it will redirect you to this proxy. So it will bring you to this loading screen, which says initializing sandbox container. It will be really quick, and then it will bring you to this taco proxy. Then you need to do https://now.gg. You need to do that. So you need to do the first part, and you can press normal or hidden, but I recommend pressing hidden. And then when you do that, you're just going to want to press Control F, and then you want to type up Roblox, and then press on the link right there. When you press on the link, it will redirect you to this different page, which is going to be right here, and then it will say getting ready. So when it says getting ready, wait for that to fully load, and then when it loads, you're going to want to just press play, and then it will bring you to Roblox. And yeah,